Hello everyone. So welcome to this Learn Anyone channel. So today we will discuss how to get SAP practice server. All right. So we'll go ahead. All right. So we are starting here. Basically, this is a very challenges topics for every fresher or beginner. Okay, once they have receive a training or practice or whatever, I mean that theoretically part, but whenever they think to go into the practical though, so always they have a challenge like how to get SAP practice server, and what do you mean by free and paid SAP server access. So basically in this video we are going to explain what are the basically a scenario, okay, the student and fresher and professional are facing. So we will complete guide beginner, we will explain you. So please be there, and this is for the educational purpose only. So let's start. What is the basically SAP practice server? So the server basically is SAP server basically is a environment where you can explore whatever theoretically you have learned either in institute or from video or anywhere else. So you have to more exposure as a real time for business practice perspective, that is called SAP practice server, right? Now the next, why should you need this one? Because you should know, I mean, what are the, let's see, if you are learning, you have learned SAP ABAP or SAP SD or EWM module, you have to explore, you have to, I mean, the work as a real, if you got a job anywhere in any company, so how to practice means how to work on there. So before there you have to explore, you have to prepare before going into the real environment. So that is called the, and that is a necessity, that is a need for SAP practice, the all the like you whatever you have learned, that is called the SAP practice server, right? Now let's go to the free. There is a two options, either you can go a free server options or paid server options. So let's go ahead the free SAP server options. So free basically is very limited, which is provided by the SAP, okay, and there is some certain limitations, that is there is no more tool available, and do, I mean, even there is no, I mean, much more durations available, that one. So very short durations the free access are available. Example SSC and BTP, these are the free, I mean, it is available on the website, SAP website. So you can go and start practicing that one. Okay, now let's go with the paid SAP practice server. So if you want to go for the paid SAP server access, so there is a several way, I mean, either some institute or company, they are providing, they are the some vendors, okay, they are providing the server access. So it is a very low cost, you can paid and you can start practicing, but make sure, I mean, it should a proper training server is there and all options are available, and all the options and all the service pack are implemented or loaded over the server. So before go for paid, you should take care that part as well. And now the next is a shared and dedicated. This is a very important topics. Whenever the student and trainer, I mean, or any professional have a questions, okay, I mean, which is the best man, I mean, which should go like shared or dedicated server. So shared, that means, I mean, one server multiple user can connect and start practicing on that server, that is called share. And dedicated, that means a server which is for a specific task. Let's see, some institute or organization, they have a specific configurations to teach the student or customers, so they can go for the customers, right? I mean, dedicated. So always as an individual we will recommend it to go for the shared server access. Now the next is ECC and S for HANA access. So ECC, that is the old one, which is the database, that is Oracle or DB, but S4 HANA is a access where have the HANA database, which is more faster than Oracle or DB. So you can get either free or paid, depend upon your role and responsibility and what kind of, I mean, level of access you want. Okay, so you can take this one. Now the most important, that is which option is best for the beginner. So I would suggest, if you are an individual, okay, then you can go for the like a paid a shared server, okay, which is very good, okay. And now you, so many vendors and organization institutes are available which are giving a very less cost per month or quarterly or yearly based on your requirement. So I will recommend it to go with this. But yes, if you cannot afford or as a beginner, then you will, I will suggest to go with the free. So free has some limitations, okay, like some few modules are free, let's see BTP and SSC. These are the module which is free, available on SAP websites. Please go there and start your practicing, okay. And which is more important is common mistakes to avoid. So every, I mean, I would suggest to every freshers or beginner or professionals, few common mistakes are there before going to take any server. Make sure you can test, you can take the demo sessions before going to pay. So it would be, I mean, you are satisfied, that then you can go with this I mean the next process. So this is for the educational purpose, okay. I am not recommending anyone, so please uh, go with this practice server and start practicing. So if it is I mean variable for you, so I would recommend it to please like and subscribe, and definitely you can share with your friend. So this is a very a nice sessions with you. So we will meet next again the another session. So till then, bye, thank you.